basketball front of our home, something like that. So that's why this is the room. I'm going inside the room, something like that. So that's why. Hi, thank you to do someone sending a hi. So much for the heart. Hope you like. Also like, subscribe. I hope you like and subscribe. My God, I need to watch my own. Oh my God, my love message really good. Late. I reply my the message, me sweat message. My God. Hi Greg. Greg for sure. Hi, you're so cute. Really, I'm cute. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for oh wow, wow, wow. Thank you, 3 million. Who's the 3 million? You can go. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. 1.5. Hello, someone liking me. And into lurking. You ready to move to Florida? Florida? Why not Florida?
Sana mo, isudlay ka dito dito. Diba kung dito?
Supply. Ready up.
Ay na ito nabayo dito, di na nakabarang dati. Ano?
Napakaramdam.
Nagbubuo, ano ba? Naramdaman ko magbubuo-buo. Kaya man ba yun?
Maybe Pennsylvania, not Florida. I don't know.
Kung
Super. Oh my god, thank you so much for your good compliment. Thank you. My god. Thank you so lurking. Are you fine? My god. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Umudong kay dili na ako sa imong ano ka.
Thank you. Hi, Tony. Oh, wow. Belly button. Hi, Sir Johnny. Thank you so much.
Bakit na? Tumalit pa, galong na kumag na. Ay, tamang bakit?
Thank you so
Galing mo
much.
siya? Nag-repeat na? Pagaling na ganito. Sa eskwela na mo, pero maski high school, sa mga kanina.
Ha? Tagalarusa?
Yung mga tarot-tapan na ba?
May nagsaksakan? Aray. Ano ba yan? Thank you.
Hindi yun. Akala ko dito, sa'yo puro yung ba? Gabaw? Gabaw Negros, sige talaga.
Hi, Baba. Ay, suplada. Ano? Nangyari?
Atong late na, makapkap pa, basic ka. Hindi. Ang okay sa mga late comers. Wala na, wala.
Hello. Hi, Johnny Gantos.
Okay lang, wala mo. Kaya ba man ang siya.
Sa room nangyari? Sa room nangyari?
Ay,
Na nagsaksakan? Sa room?
oo.
Aray.
Dito na may dinaradel. Estudyante.
Ha?
Ang tuli.
Dito sa Tagalanusa?
Iba ito na lugar. Nagdadagan.
Ay, oo, na nagbara di mag...
Ang binadel.
Oo, ano yan, itong mga bata niyan, ha?
Mga bata. Nagdagawan ng cases na sa eskwela.
Akin yan na taon na irugso, ha?
Mga generation na yan.
Gen Z.
Lunupan. Gen buwang. Mga gen nila.
Ano ba yan?
Generation yung mga urong ko na nuno.
Kulang yun sa ano kung magurang. Gabay. Gabay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Kung may badil, pulisan, may sumagang sa pulis. Parang, kung illegal pa yung badil, kasi, kaya dapat mga nasulong nito na dapat nasulungan, babaanan, ito na ni Ruben, no? Oo, babaanan, bawal nun, ang mga kasuhan ng bata.
Oo, bubuli na may namatay na bata na nabuli ha, nagkumatos.
Ora kamuang-muang, ginong-buwang. Nagkamay ang bagay ito sa ebidensya na pinag-irestoryahan ko nito sa mga estudyante. Kaya aram nga ninyo na underage sila, direct.
Oo, parang nag-ano si Rana, kampante yung si Rana.
Pero makukulong, mas di mo.
Diri nga sira makukulong sa ngayon, kay underage pa sira. Pero pag nag-edad sira sa legal age, makukulong sira.
Nandung-dumang kalugod dito na, timang banda ito, di ba? Ang nag-attend sa birthday.
Oo.
Nag-attend sa birthday, edad ako pumunta siya. Kaya masusulod na siya.
May nga dito, may ano dito, may
Pabantay na?
sa ibang bansa. Ngirit-ngirit pa siya. Kaya sabi niya, di man kuno siya makukulong kasi may miskin ng pating. So, sa ibang bansa man. Pag sinabi sa judge, nauyam ang judge kay pangisi-ngisi pa siya. Tapos ang ini mo sa judge, maski underage pa siya, pinakulong. Wala piyansa. Ha?
Mamangga po.
Ha?
Ma'am, mabo pagi yun. Kasi training doon.
Kaya mapakarin.
Masundo. Sister.
Kaya?
Hmm.
Wala, wala siya nasuguhan.
Sige, hindi konta ko eh. Ikaw nito ba? Ito, hindi na para.
Sige. Pero mamangin mo mga...
Sige, dito.
Kasi pag ano, ikot na lang kami ni ate.
May ingat ha, huwag ka dadaan sa kuan.
Ikot na lang kami.
Ha?
Ikot, ikot.
Ah,
Highway.
Tapos, kasi madulas din. Lang yung mga expert lang ang aring dumaan. Ano kita na?
thank you 16 million in the house. Thank you so much.
Yung bait kong pindot ko nga yun.
Ang galing kong sumayaw. Now, galing malaw. Char, joke. Pakit yan. Pakit. Stroke yan. Thank you 14 people. Hi, how are you? Don't worry, no need to lurking. You can write your comments. I'm very open-minded. You know what? Sometimes I'm not entertained toxic, of course. Must someone who respected me. Jolly, Altala, hi, Jolly. Where are you from? Ang galing. Thank you. Go wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, all my heart breaks, I will be. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Hi, Fernando. Hi, Fernando. Fernando Juan. Fernando Santos Sloops. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Can't you say it, baby? You're going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you'll be. Hi, Walter Alden. Hi, Sir Walter. Thank you sa likes. Salamat sa nagla-likes. Can't you see it, baby? Get me going. Thank you so much for the likes. Hi, Ma'am GTV like dan share. Thank you so much for the likes, Ma'am Grace. Thank you po. Thank you, Ma'am. Beautiful, lovely. Thank you, Sir Walter. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you for the like. Black share. Black. Sometimes something like that. Yes po. Kamusta po, Ma'am Grace? Jack Sparrow. Hi, buddy. Jack Sparrow. Can't you say it, baby? Get me going crazy. Wherever you go, Whatever you do, I will be right away. Thank you so much. Mali. Translator siya. Mali ang translator. Naka-translate kasi. Sorry po. Where you from? I'm from living in from the land of Philippines. I'm asking, how are you? Okay naman. Sorry, Ma'am Grace. Ang translator, mali. Mali yung ano. Okay naman. Stay in love. Happy. Stay in love with Mike. And Juan. Conscious. Stay beautiful and happy. Yes po. Stay positive in life and happy. Feel beautiful. I'm 45 years old. Jack Sparrow. Where are you from, Sir Jack Sparrow? Ender Prince. I'm also Filipino. Okay. Nice to meet you po, Ender Prince. Thank you sa likes. Thank you sa nag-likes. How can you say it, baby? Get me going crazy. But you look like 20. Really? Oh my god. I wish I'm 20 years old. Maybe time machine. I'm from India. Okay, nice to meet you. Hi, Towin Lopez. Someone like you deserves to be ruled. I promise that when we become one, I will be cordial. Oh, really? What a sweet word, huh? Thank you for watching. What are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm talking to you guys. I'm sitting in the chair. I'm doing live, something like that. And then, for a living. For living, I am here. Living here, I am a community volunteer here in our town, in our country, something like that. Community volunteer, something like that. Thank you, 16 million in the house. Thank you for the likes. Very appreciated. Jack Sparrow. Tia. Hi, Tia. Tom. Tia Tom. I asked about your work. Yes, my work as community volunteer here. That's my work. Yep. Even I'm poor, I can help community in our community here. So being poor is not being not too poor. Being ordinary people is not a high ones to help your fellow Filipinos here in my country. How many children you have? One. So I think something like that. How kind of you? What? How kind of me? How kind of me? Maybe wrong grammar. Maybe wrong one. How kind of you? Hi GTV from Tio Chong. Thank you, Tio Chong. Thank you, Mom Grace. GTV vlog. Can't you say it, baby? You get me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do. Thank you so much. Think it told people, watch your back. Why? Watch my back. What should I? Why should I show my back? Why should I show my back? Oh my God! Cat stole some. Uh, stole something. No worries. They stole like food because cat's hungry. Oh my God! My hair is getting low fast. And look like a fawn. How can't you say it, baby? Oh my God. It was above the stop, so I see watch your back. Ah, okay. Stop. Ah, look over there. Oh my God. Wait. No worries, the food is for him, for the cat. No worries. Like a leftover food. What she? What she? The food is leftover, so no worries. How can't you see it, baby? I think you tell lie. Huh? I tell a lie? No, I'm not tell a lie. Why should I tell a lie? This home is our home. You look like young. No, I'm not a young. I, I look like young, but I'm not young. Look, I have wrinkles. How I wish I'm 20 years old, something like that. Even at 30 years old, oh my God, I'm so happy. But I'm not. It was on cuteness of you. Really, I'm cute? I'm just cute on cam, something like that. But in real life, a cute. I'm not like that. My God. So that's why not. So that's why don't everyone no need to believe on the social media something. Yes, no need to believe because maybe on the camera I'm cute, but in real life I'm not cute. Hi there. Hi Alex CW, the username P. Hi, Fabio. Good morning. Hello, Fabio. From Brazil. Which country? I'm from the land of Philippines. Ganda. Thank you. My God. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the ganda. Do you like Gcash? I have a Gcash. If you are willing to send me on Gcash, oh my God, thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. I have a Gcash. Do you have doubt? Then go and see the mirror. Then you believe me. I know myself. I know my work. It's true. Why not? Oh, really? Oh my God. Thank you so much, LXCW. I have Gcash. I 8,000 true. Oh my God. Really? Okay. If it's true, okay, I'm waiting. If it's not, oh my God, you're the one like trash talk. What is your mother tongue? Bicol, mother tongue here, Tagalog. Tagalog, Bicol. I'm not Bisaya, huh? I'm not Bisaya, please. I'm living in the province, but I'm not Bisaya. Please. Please, please. Please. I will give it to you, but I have something to say. Oh my God. No need. Maybe I don't like that. I think I don't like that having a condition, something like that. No, I will give it, but I hope. But I think no need to give if having koan because I don't like complicated. I don't like problem. Did you eat something? No, I'm not. I'm finished at dinner. Done dinner. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here. Mm. What's special? I like your sec. What means sec? What is that? What is a sec? I don't understand what you mean. I'll like see the. Alright. What is that? What it means sec? What is that? Yes. Can't you say it, baby? You got me going crazy. Can you make a small home tour for me? Now I'm busy in life. Let me tell you a little. And maybe just tell. Just say it. What is that, my God? If not good or disrespecting me, sorry. I'm not anyone allowed to disrespecting me. Because I'm talking to you nice. can you make a small home tour for me? I have no budget. Sorry. I'm busy and no budget. No budgeting.
Nganap ko kubi mo. Masa ka? Ito ka. Masa ka niya ayaw.
I don't understand what you mean you want to see me. You already see me. My God. Where are you going? Going home. Next to my house. Hi, no, Baruzel. No. Thank you. Terrible people. To give you just a little bit. Huh? Maybe don't no need to give. Maybe you just save your money, okay? No need to give like CW. Just save your money, and if you find the right woman for you, if you already have having a family, maybe you need to save your money and you spend it for the good. Sing a song for me, buddy. I'm not a singer. My voice is not good for to give you money. No need to give me money, okay? No need to make effort to give me money. No need to give me money, okay? Alex CW, stop. I don't want your money, okay? Maybe you need to find another and then give. Then you can give them money. Oh my God, the cats. 8,000 is true. I earn. No need to. I told you no need to send me money. My God, ang kulit. But you sing some two line of song repeatedly. Do you ride motorcycle? Yep, I ride motorcycle. Mhm. I will give you just a little bit of truth. No need. I told you no need to send me money. No need to give me money. Oh my God. Alex CW. Stop. My God. I think you dance well. Yes. I like dancing. Look, I'm watching my own live, so maybe if you can start my YouTube, my channel. I always dance. Something like that. Ayoko na. Thank you so likes. Thank you for the likes, everyone. I like. You know what? LXCW already say me. So that's why I don't understand what you mean. My God. Make some steps for your fans. Make Thank you for watching. Hi, Ansan! Kumusta? Hi, Kaza, what's up? Okay lang. Ikaw, kumusta ka dyan? Kumusta na? Miss you na. What happened? Nothing's happened. Nothing's happened. I'm just watching my own life. You are the only woman in my heart, and I will love you. I love. Huh? Alexi W. Oh, wait. My God. It's okay. It's still a geeko. What geeko mean? Nakatranslate ba? Can you dance for us? I'm not in the mood to dance. Hi, Jenalyn Segovia. Hi, Horse. Hi, Jenalyn. Sir, I am true. Translated. Oh my God, translated. Na-off ko na ang translator. Pero ba't gano'n? Na-off ko na. Translated pa rin. May gulay. If di ka tumigil, Alex CW, ilalagay kita sa kwan. I will be nosebleed. I will be nosebleed. My God, what is the name of the cat who can... I don't know. It's hot. It's hot here. I need halo-halo. Okay, you can buy your halo-halo there. So, no need to stress me. Your problem. Because I have my own problem. Not the 1, not 2, 3, not the... Cha-cha! Nang ibigin kita, marami ang nagtaka. May nagsabi na bulataw ang ating kita. Ang sagot ko ay di baliwala. Huwag lamang magtaksiyo sa bulong ng damdamin. Haha, sorry, no worries. I'm just honestly telling the truth, so that I'm not pretend that that's okay, even if it's not okay. I love that song. Hello, Artie. Please. Oh my God. If you want to see my feet, you need to send super chat $1,000. If not, no, sorry, my God. Welcome, Alibu Chanafa. Wow, you have nice voice singing. Really? Oh my God. I want to believe you. You are very beautiful and attractive. Oh my God. How I wish I'm like that. I seen your short there. You dance well, but you can't dance now. Okay, I will dance now. What should I get if I dance now? Can I see your height? Oh my God. Oh my God. My viewer is a lot of Kwan. So you see my height? I'm a teeny tiny. Teeny tiny but I have a muscle. Look. Teeny tiny but I have a muscle. And now my blessing. Oh my God, don't ask too much. Wherever we go. Do you know about Sari? Stop. Stop talking if come on. I don't know. So stop. If I don't know that like that, I don't want to tap it. Okay. No, I talk about dress. I talk about dress. Uh, my dress is not branded. It's a local, so I don't know. Sorry, it's not dress in our country. Ah, okay. So I don't know. Sorry. I thought that's a bad because some are talking about maybe something like that. Hey, what's up? Sorry, I think that's a clothes from India. Their traditional dress, I think. Ah, okay, yung may ganon. Tapos yung may kuwan, may ganyan. Tapos may ganon. Tapos may ganyan. At a long, long ano. Tapos dito, may ganyan. May ganon. May ganyan siya. Basta ganon. Ganon yun. You search in Google, Sarah just okay. No need. You explain. You already explained, so it's okay. It's fine. No worries.
No?
It will good luck for you. Oh, really? Your lips are very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes, Kaz. Maganda yun. Beautiful girls. Oh my god, I fell sleepy now. Oh god, I better to sleep now because tomorrow is a new beginning, another day, something like that. A long dress but open tummy, conservative but not looks like. Oo nga, open tummy sila. Long dress but open tummy. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's right. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. My God. Oh my God, thank you. To official, TV official blog. Huh? Ni Kumar. My God. Oh my God. I feel sleepy na, may gulay. You unhide. I unhide. I sorry. Oh my God. Wait, wait. I don't know. Oh wait. Oh my God. Sorry. My plan is hide him. Oh my God. Wrong button. Thank you po. Hi TV official vlog. I hide it. Hi again. Huh? I hide. Hi again. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. I meant hide him. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. Peekaboo Charity from Sir Fred. Medyo naka-bend-bend na. Let's go, please, Sir Fred. My God. Sir Fred, she's my cousin living in Illinois, Chicago. How dare him as you take your shirt off and no PayPal. Huh? Oh my God. Love you, Sir James Ram. How are you, Sir James? I know she's your cousin. Okay. No PayPal. Oh my God. Maybe no super chat. No super chat, no PayPal, something like that. Maybe my hubby is getting mad if I take off my shirt here. Oh my God. Wrong, wrong move. They are waiting. Huh? 48 years old. Yes, I have a tip for you. You have a tip for me? Yeah, he would be mad. Yes, that's right. And he beat Mike something like, huh? There are many hot live shows here in the early morning. If you want to watch, men will, huh? I will take my shirt off for free. Ah, talaga? Hindi ako happy. My body is not like, oh, thank you, my cousin. Oh my God, let's go. Peekaboo, miss you guys. Thank you, my cousin. Thank you so much. Sir Fred, not send on super chat. He will send on PayPal. Especially when two other girls are on the live stream. Oh, really? But I'm not like that. I'm not wearing the super sexy just to attract men. Can you just upload yourself on? Huh? No, I'm not like that. For coffee. Ah, for coffee. Salamat, insan. Thank you so much for the cafe. A lot of coffee. God bless you more. Thank you, my cousin. Mm. Sorry for that. Can you just no? I'm not like other live streaming just uh, wearing the super sexy like to attract a man. That's a super sexy and the cleavage. I have no cleavage. My front is not like that. So maybe men not attract my body because a lot of men something like that. So I'm not like that. Oh my god, I have a cleavage, and maybe my parents disappointed with me doing that. My why wearing a sexy? My god, no. Hey Jamba Kamada, whoever you are, be a civilized person. Don't ask like that kind of. She give me a tip. So she said a lot of men watching me, so that's why I need a hot life, something like that. Oh my God, how a hot life? God, my hubby getting mad when a hot life. Oh my God. Maybe other Filipinos are doing that, and a lot of live streaming doing like that. But it depends on the taste of the people. If my viewers, I really appreciate the people, my viewers, my friends here, who I am. I really appreciate that. Ay, hindi ako pumapatol sa ganyan. I-revealing ko kaya yung mukha mo. She is already hot because hot with her hair. Look, my hotness is ano, my brown, my skin color is because I'm super born from hot. Body tell about your family. My family is good. You drink sag, mig, apple, taste good. Sanmig apple, taste good. Pag uwi mo, masanmig apple kita. Excited na nga makauwi ka ulit. Hot means sexy. Ah, hot means sexy. I drink Sanmig Light. Me, Sanmig Apple. Sir Fred, my cousin, she's a independent woman living in America. Single mother living in single independent woman. We're same age, Sir Fred. First boyfriend. Same, something like that. My God. What is the secret of your cuteness? The secret, no enemy. I ignore toxic people. If someone make me uh, makes me mad, I distance myself, something like, because I have no time to express myself. I'm single too. From Sir Fred, oh my god. Oh wait, that's right, I'm married. That's all I can drink. We drink Samig Apple when we are together, right? It is Samig Apple we drink last time, yes. Samig Apple. That's a Samig Apple when we drink 2023. 3 years. Oh my god. 3 years already. Time passed. Hope you come back here again. But me and Mike visiting you. Pretty soon, my god. I'm excited. Oh my god. I had San Miguel Light and Jack Daniels today. Oh my god. Jack Daniels. Wow, social. Than Jack Daniels. Sana all. Sana all having a Jack Daniels. It has a alcohol on it or nothing. Just a little bit. The San Miguel, the San Miguel apple. It's a little bit of alcohol, but it's still we feel drunk. Maybe the alcohol there is 7%, something like that. Yes, maybe we will see each other here in the US. Yes, we're visiting you here there, me and Mike, pretty soon. Oh my god, I'm excited. Hi, babe Phoenix. Hi, babe Phoenix. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. She'll still get strong after 2 sonic apples. Yeah. Get feel drunk. Hey babe, how are you doing? I'm sitting here and doing like hey Phoenix. Hey Fred, hello from Phoenix. I'm okay, thank you Phoenix from Sir Fred. 3% alcohol. I can't do 7%. 7%. I think 7%, something like that. I cannot do 7%. I think 3% or 7%, something like that. Just a little bit off for the Sun Make Light alcohol. Kate, you are psychic and answered me. Oh god, I feel sleepy na. How many boyfriends you have in a whole life? How many boyfriends? My first boyfriend, my son's father, and then the another I have an online relationship, and then boyfriend we're not yet met, and then my previous, this is not my boy. I have an engaged now. My second relationship. You married? I'm engaged. Secret Service. Yep, Phoenix. It's good. Cheryl. Thank you, babe Phoenix. Fred, I'm going to message you. Are you free for a second? How was your day, Phoenix? Thank you, babe Phoenix. Hang on, babes. I will be right back. Okay. Thank you, babe Phoenix. Take your time.
Ito man mapod. Kaya si tulong ka. Ako sa mga.
I need to end the live because I fell sleepy now. Sir Fred, I need to end the live because I fell sleepy. Thank you, babe Phoenix. Thank you, my cousin. Thank you, sa gift. God bless everyone. Thank you, Jack Sparrow. I think if you tell no boyfriend, I put another ring on your finger. No, I'm engaged. Sorry. Thank you so much. God bless everyone, Secret Service. Thank you for joining. God bless everyone. Fell sleepy. Had to rest. Oh my god. Bye.